Three-time Wimbledon champion Boris Becker has been jailed for 2.5 years for avoiding paying debts and hiding millions of pounds worth of assets. The former world number one was declared bankrupt in 2017.
Wearing a grey suit with a Wimbledon tie, the six-time Grand Slam winner left the dock as his girlfriend, who was visibly emotional, watched on. Passing sentence to a packed courtroom, the judge acknowledged the humiliation the conviction had caused Mr Becker, but said that he had shown little humility during the case.
The Conservative MP Neil Parish is being investigated over claims he watched adult material in the House of Commons. He represents Tiverton and Honiton in Devon. The Tory party say he's been suspended pending the result of that inquiry. A British aid group is urging the UK government to help find two men believed to have been captured